Hello friends, welcome. In this video I want to display the flash message when we create, update or delete one of categories, menus, tables or reservation. Okay, for that I have prepared this Tailwind CSS classes. So here we have for the info, for danger, for success and warning, and also the dark alert. But I'm going to use only the warning, success and danger. So let's copy that. So only the three, and go to the VS Code and now open the admin blade inside the layouts, and in here let add in here after the mine, add the div and paste that in. Okay, but we need to make a if statement here, so let's copy the first one, cut here and say if the session, now if the session has danger, display this because this was with danger alert, and I'm going to display the message here. So let's say session and get danger. Okay, let's remove this text here and do the same thing for the others. So let's copy, paste in here, just change this is for success, so change this to be success, add and if here, so and if, also add the session has here we have a warning, so say warning, and also close the and if here, so and if, and let's copy this, where is this, here, and session like this, get danger. So let's copy this one and paste in here and say this is for warning and this is for the success. So I'm going to add here that message, not in here. And if I save, go back and refresh. Okay. So to see that, we need to work with controllers. Let's open the category controller. And when we store a new category, let's say here, return to the road with, okay, with, and here I'm going to add success because this is success message, and say category created successfully. Okay, now let me copy this one and go to the update method and paste that in. Just change category updated. And for the last one is category destroyed, so in here we need to display this and say category deleted. Now to see other colors, I'm going to change this from success to be danger. And let's save it. Go to the browser, refresh, and say here new category, say test, choose a file, and I'm going to choose this one, click open, type something here and click store, and we have this category created successfully, but we need to run the npm run watch to watch for the Tailwind CSS classes. Okay, refresh this and create a new one. Test 3. I'm going to say okay, add an image, click store. And why we don't have that again? Let's delete this. And yeah, now we have this one. Okay, let's create another one. So test, choose a file, click open. And yeah, now we have the category created. And if I edit, so say something here, update, and category updated. Okay, let's do the same thing for the others. So I'm going to copy this one and open the menu controller here. When we store a new controller, new menu, sorry, let's paste that in and say menu created successfully. Also, when we update, let's say menu updated successfully, and when we delete, the same thing. So let's say menu and deleted. And if you want, you can add also the launcher here. Let's save this and do the same thing for the reservation. And here we have the store method. Paste that in. Change this to be reservation created. Okay, and we have only one for reservation. Okay, let's do the last one, which is table. And when you store a new table, add this one and say table created successfully. Okay, and when we update, table updated successfully. Okay, and when we delete, let's say launcher and table deleted. Okay, now we worked with all the controllers. Let's see in the action here. Let's refresh, go to the menus, create a new menu, and I'm going to say test, choose a file, type of price, description, choose a category, click store, and yeah, we have a menu created successfully. Click edit. Okay, update, we updated, and if I delete, click OK, and we have an error because we have a category menu relationship and we don't add on cascade there. So for that, let's go to the menu controller, and when before we delete the menu, let's say $sign menu categories, and I'm going to detach this. Okay, let's save it and let's go back, refresh, and let's say delete. Now we deleted the image, but let's delete the table itself. Click OK, and yeah, menu deleted. Let's work with tables. Let's create a new table. So table 1, guest number 4, pending, and let's leave it as it is. Click store. Okay, edit. Let's say table 2, click store. Okay, updated. Let's delete that. Click OK, and yeah, we delete it. Now for the reservation, when we create a new reservation, we need also the table. So let's create again the table. Guest, click store and create another one. Table 2, guest 6 store. Go to the reservation, new reservation, and say test. Add the email, add the phone number, add the date. We need the date to be from 5 to 11 p.m. Okay, so we are okay. And guest number. Okay, click store. Good. Now we need to work with edit and delete reservation, and also when we create a new table, a new reservation, we need to work with the tables here and guest number, because maybe this table doesn't have, if we add here 6 and the table has only 4 guest numbers. Okay, so if I go here, this table can handle only 4 guests. Okay friends, and one more thing. So if I come here, we have a table 1 here, and if I delete this table, yeah, we don't have that. We need also to delete the reservation when we delete the table. Okay, so let's go here, go to the table controller. Before we delete the table, let's say $table reservations and delete all the reservations this table has. Let's save it, and let's go open the table plus to remove that. So restore app, click open. Okay, when reservations, and we have this, let's delete that. Come here, reservations, yeah. Now if I create a new reservation, okay, choose 5 p.m. we are okay, and choose something here. We have only one table. Good. Now if I delete this table, click delete, click OK. If I go to the reservation, we don't have any. Okay, now let's work in the next video with reservation for edit and delete. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one. All the best.